Hi people, welcome to Learn with Hassan. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can disallow people from commenting on your post on TikTok. Let's start by opening our TikTok account. At the bottom right corner, there is a profile. You tap on it. Then at the upper right corner, the three horizontal lines, you tap on that one too. Then you come to the very last option, which is settings and privacy. You tap on that one too. Then you go to privacy. Then you open privacy and you tap on comment. The first one is everyone. It is self-explanatory. Then the second one is followers that you follow, and that one too you can set it to that option. And then the last one being no one. It means when you choose that one, none of your followers will be able to comment on your post or your videos and then stories. So that's how you hide your comment, or you prevent people from commenting on your videos and stories. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, share the video as well, so that you help the channel to grow. Thank you for watching once again. Until we meet again, bye bye.